We need education. It's important, but we've got something in our way. Laziness, also called as procrastination. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Aesthetic Study. Today we're going to talk about ways to beat procrastination so that you get your productivity more on. So first, let's start with the most important area, our desk. This is where we study, so we have to keep this cool. So my desk is pretty simple. In this cup, I've just got all the basic essentials. I've just got my scissors, scale, stapler, pencil, pens, highlighter, sketch pens, you know, the basic stuff, erasers and sharpeners. What I need to study, the extras are in another cabinet. And over here, I've just got some things which can help me take a break. And one of these things is this amazing book which I have, and it cheers me up every time I read it. And this small book full of encouraging doodles which are season based and can really help me to cheer me up. And I've keep these things over here so that I don't open YouTube or any sort of social media to refresh my brain, otherwise I'll stay on there like for hours on end unsupervised. And I also have my art journal on there, so I can art journal sometimes, you know. I do not know about you guys, but then for me it's really, I like, the computer is something where I always study on, so it has to be, you know, always cheering me up, and it should always be motivating for me. So over here I've just got this small section which has those self-care stuff. So I've just got one pine cone and that, and then over here I just got these 2 lip balms, 1 nail polish, 2 perfumes, and another lip balm which is coconut flavor, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, I just get these things because these are some things that I can use to make myself feel good when I'm not feeling good. So I really enjoy scents, so I often sprinkle them out. Right beside my study table, I've got this section over here which has another self-care items and also my books. So we most often than not have moments where we cannot tolerate studies anymore. So this is what I do. I do something simple as washing my face because it freshens me up. Let's go. So sometimes I just feel really gross, so just to freshen me up, I usually apply some lip balm, you know, maybe retie my hair, and read one of the things on my desk to help me cheer up. So I mostly keep my wall decorated. So like this for my exams, I've got this really nice table. If you want to read the tips, you can just, you know, pause. My certificate and just all these things that can, and some doodles that can just cheer me up into the study mode. So this is one of the, you know, I can't do it scenarios. I wanted to have a breakdown, but is that really what I did? 3 hours. We've got 9 chapters for a single subject. I feel like having a little breakdown right now. Okay, gotta study, can't stop. That's called a healthy mindset. It did take time for me to build it up, but then we got there. Also, that even though studying hard does not have those instant rewards, but you have to divide it, you know, like if I study 1 hour, I'll get this. So try to force yourself into that. Another thing that can distract us is cravings or needs which you did not organize from before. So keep everything accessible, like water, you want some snacks, get it ready right now. Because you're going to be studying, so no distractions, no getting up. Keep everything ready from before. and never forget to stop and take care of yourself. Like, give yourself a small massage if your feet are aching. The thing is that you can do anything except for things that will make that 1 minute break into a half an hour one for you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you think anyone is in the need of such videos, then please do share it to them. Recommend my channel. Stay tuned. Also, there have been a lot of things going on, so I've been a little inconsistent. Most probably I'm going to be sticking to one video in 2 week schedule, because I think these videos take a lot of planning out, and shooting and editing. It is kind of tough, but I'll try to keep up with it. But for now, it's one video in 2 weeks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe, stay productive. Bye.